Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pure Bliss Organics Beauty. If you're new to this channel, hit on the notification bell below so you can be updated with every new video I make. Give this video a like, share also to your friends and family. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to make you could pro-mix your moisturizing lotion at home if you're dark in complexion or if you're chocolate in complexion. Then stay tuned to the end of this video to see how you could pro-mix your lotion to help get that glowing skin that you always desired. So guys, let's get down to work. For this mixing, we'll be needing a clean sterilized bowl, 1 measuring tablespoon for measuring in all our ingredients, and my main ingredients here, which is my Jergens enriching shea butter. This is very natural. It is a very good moisturizer. This will help moisturize your skin, reduce dryness and blemishes of the skin. It will help reduce hyperpigmentation and clear acne of the skin. Here I'll be needing 500 ml of Jergens shea butter. I'll be turning this into my mixing bowl. This mixology is very good for those who are dark in complexion and do not want to, tamper with their skin tone, their skin color, want to achieve a little bit of that hot chocolate color. This pro-mixing is very good for you. Try these and you'll be amazed the results you get. Into the mixture, I'll be adding also 2 tablespoons of kojic acid powder. This will help lighten the skin and it will help to decrease the appearance of dark scars and acne. I'll be adding into this powder. Normally I dissolve my powders with rose water, but you could also dissolve with your oils. You could dissolve this with probably 1 tablespoon of rose water, but here I'll be using 2 tablespoons of my whitening glycerin to mix this powder. 2 tablespoons of my whitening glycerin into the mixture. Stir very well. At this point, you could also do a double boiler method to have a smoother consistency of your mixture.
Music.
Add dissolved powders into your mixture. Then we'll be adding into our mixture pigment dough. Pigment dough is also very good for the skin. This is a concentrate. It will help to lighten and brighten your skin. We'll be adding half a bottle of pigment dough concentrate into the mixture. You could add little or more at this point if you desire. I like my lotions to be very thick in consistency. If you like your lotions to be a bit lighter, then you could add a little more of your oils or your concentrates. Concentrates will not make your creams light. I'll also be adding in jojoba oil. Jojoba oil contains vitamin A and E. This will help to repair your skin. It helps in anti-aging and helps to give your skin a glow. 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil into the mixture. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my DIY carrot oil. If you want to see how you can make your own carrot oil at home, please check under this description box below so you could watch the video on how you can make your own carrot oil at home. Carrot oil is also very good for the skin. It helps to smoothen the skin. It's a very good lightener. It is filled and packed with vitamins which could help glow your skin. This is almond oil. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of almond oil into the mixture. Almond oil will help smoothen your skin. It protects your skin from sun damage. It contains vitamins which would help to protect your skin from sunlight damage. It will help also to soften your skin and give you a smooth skin. Also, I'll be adding aloe vera gel into the mixture. You could use the already made aloe vera gel, or you could also use the fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains antioxidants. It helps to smoothen your skin, rise your skin, fight against acne, anti-aging, anti-blemishing, hyperpigmentation. You can name it all. Aloe vera has a lot of skin benefits, so this is also very good for any mixology. You could use aloe vera as one of your natural ingredients to help boost your recipes. Also add half a bottle of lightening serum. You could use any lightening serum of your choice. I'll be adding a pinch of miracle powder into this mixture. You could add fragrance or preservative into this mixture. I'm not needing any fragrance. I'm not needing any preservative because I have not used water. I've only used essential oils and already made lotion. But if you are adding in water into any mixture, please endeavor to use your preservatives so that your cream doesn't change color or doesn't change smell and doesn't go bad within a short period of time. I'll be using my whisker to whisk. You could use your hand mixer or you could just mix with a spatula. Mix very well until you get a smooth consistency. This lotion is very good for people with dark skin tone and like to achieve that. Why overwork your skin when you could achieve a glowing and shiny skin tone your skin, or without bleaching or damaging your skin. This video is for my subscribers. I have so many dark skin subscribers who want to achieve a natural, brightened and glowing skin tone. This video is for you guys. Try this recipe. You could also use other base as moisturizers. You could use shea butter, or Nivea, any moisturizers that do not contain steroids or hydroquinone in them. So guys, after mixing, you could use a funnel to package your creams, or sometimes I prefer to use this method. I find it quicker and easier to use. This cream consistency is a bit thick, so I think this method will be better for me to use. But if your cream or if your lotion is a bit lighter, then it will be easier for you to use your funnel. Just use whichever works better for you. So turn this into your container, leave open for about 3 to 4 hours before use. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe, like this video, share also to your friends and family. I will be looking forward to get fantastic reviews from my dark skinned sisters or brothers out there. Thanks guys for watching.
It has opened books to gauge it is the problem.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural.